When it comes to the overhead press, there are a few common mistakes that many people make. One of the most common mistakes is using too much weight. This can lead to poor form and potential injury. To fix this, start with a lighter weight and focus on proper form before increasing the weight. Another mistake is arching the back during the press. This can put unnecessary strain on the lower back and lead to injury. To fix this, engage your core muscles and keep your back straight throughout the movement. Not fully extending the arms at the top of the press is another common mistake. This can limit the effectiveness of the exercise. To fix this, make sure to fully extend your arms overhead at the top of the press. Some people also tend to flare their elbows out to the sides during the press. This can put strain on the shoulders and lead to discomfort. To fix this, keep your elbows slightly in front of your body throughout the movement. Another mistake is not bracing the core properly during the press. This can lead to instability and poor form. To fix this, engage your core muscles and maintain a strong, stable base throughout the movement. Lastly, rushing through the movement is a common mistake. This can lead to poor form and decreased effectiveness of the exercise. To fix this, focus on controlled, deliberate movements and take your time with each repetition. By avoiding these common mistakes and focusing on proper form, you can maximize the effectiveness of the overhead press and reduce your risk of injury. Remember to start with a lighter weight, engage your core muscles, keep your back straight, fully extend your arms, keep your elbows in front of your body, and focus on controlled movements. With practice and attention to detail, you can improve your overhead press technique and see better results in your workouts.